Audio Jungle.
BMW introduced its 9.2 fully electric compact SUV a month ago, and the Now company announced the start of the production in its Regensburg factory in Germany. The factory is responsible for the entire X2 lineup, along with the BMW 1 Series and BMW X1. However, BMW does not mention when deliveries of the 9.2, which is initially only available as an all-wheel drive vehicle, will begin. At the premiere, there was general talk of early 2024. The sister model 9.1 has also been coming off the production line in Regensburg for about a year. In addition to the combustion engine derivatives of the two compact X models, the 1 Series is also built there. Across these three model series, BMW assembles 1,000 vehicles per day, but does not give a rough distribution between the model series and their electric models. Since the different drive systems are built on one line, production between combustion engines and electric drives is flexible. BMW now also implements numerous aspects of its iFactory production strategy in Regensburg. According to the company, Regensburg is the automotive industry's first plant worldwide to use, for example, an end-to-end digitalist and automated process for inspection, machining and marking of painted vehicle surfaces by AI-controlled robots in series production. With the SOP of the new X2 and the additional production volumes, the Regensburg plant is switching to a 3-shift operation with immediate effect. A night shift will supplement the existing early and late shifts. By the end of the year, the BMW Group in Regensburg will have permanently hired around 500 new employees at the site and invested over 350 million euros in vehicle production. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.